Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Few places have captured our hearts quite like this former imperial capital. From the moment you step off the train, you're greeted by a perfect blend of ancient tradition and that warm, welcoming energy that makes Japan so incredibly special. By now, you should know that we're obsessed with finding places that have a soul. We've wandered through bustling megacities and quiet hidden gems alike. But the city of Kyoto, it sits in a league of its own. Kyoto is widely considered the most beautiful city in Japan, and for good reason. It is a cultural heart of the country, renowned for thousands of classical Buddhist temples, Zen gardens, traditional tea houses, and the historic geisha district of Gion. We're going to share our first moments here in the city and let you know what you can enjoy if you choose to spend your time here. Firstly, we arrived fresh to Kyoto after a fun and relaxing trip on the Shinkansen bullet train. The journey took just over an hour and 35 minutes, using the Nozomi Shinkansen train. Our experience begins at Arishiyama station, where the sleek, aerodynamic nose of the train glides to a stop with surgical precision. It's a true masterclass in Japanese efficiency. When you arrive at Kyoto station, it's a dramatic and an architectural transition. You'll step off the platform into a massive cathedral of glass and steel, a futuristic gateway that stands in stark contrast to the ancient wooden temples and the quiet stone gardens that are waiting just outside. Again, similar to our first day in Hanoi, we decided to opt for the hop-on, hop-off bus. This time we chose to enjoy a ride on the bus that glides through the city's historic streets. The bus has two lines to choose from, blue and red, giving you a variety to a number of different attractions. It was a perfect way to explore Kyoto at a perfectly relaxed pace, while still seeing many of its famous landmarks. From the top deck of the bus route itself is like a guided tour through Kyoto's heart. As it passed through bustling streets and quiet neighbourhoods, the audio guide shared fascinating stories from its days as the imperial capital of Japan to its modern role as a hub of art and culture. The greatest thing about the bus tour is being able to jump off where we wanted, and we made it work for us. One highlight was visiting the Golden Pavilion. Kinkaku-ji is one of the most breathtaking temples in Japan. Its shimmering gold exterior reflected perfectly in the surrounding pond, creating a postcard-perfect scene. We were walking through the meticulously landscaped gardens and marvelled at the harmony between the architecture and nature, a theme that repeats throughout Kyoto's temples and shrines. It is now a UNESCO heritage site and is easily one of the best things to do in the city. Up high on the list should be a visit to Nijo-jo Castle. You can visit both the castle grounds and Ninomaro Palace. The castle isn't the flashiest, but it is still pretty iconic in its own right and has an extremely rich and interesting history. Once you're inside, you can marvel at the vast size of the castle grounds and appreciate its architecture. Approaching the outer defences, the immaculate white walls rise above meticulously stacked stone foundations, mirrored perfectly in the still waters of the moat. Its entrance creates a scene that both feels stern and serene, as if time has paused in the Edo period. There are also the remains of a tower keep, which are worth a short, steep hike to venture to. Its functionality as an observation deck provides a scene uniquely Nijo-jo Castle, where past and present coexist in a single sweeping view. A must visit in Kyoto is the Imperial Palace. The Imperial Palace was the official residence of Japan's emperors for over 1,000 years, until the capital moved to Tokyo in 1869. Located within the spacious Kyoto Imperial Park, the palace complex features traditional wooden halls, white gravel courtyards, and elegant Heian period-inspired architecture. The space itself is absolutely massive, so even when it's crowded, you'll still experience the calm and quiet in comparison to Kyoto's concrete jungle. The beautiful Kitano Tenmangu Shrine is one of Kyoto's most historically significant sites, serving as the head of over 12,000 shrines, dedicated to the deity of learning. Today it has evolved into a vibrant sanctuary of both academic aspiration and seasonal beauty, offering us an experience that feels deeply authentic and local compared to Kyoto's more mainstream tourist hubs. The atmosphere of the shrine is defined by the constant presence of students from across Japan who visit to pray for success in entrance exams and academic pursuits, whilst Kitano Tenmangu is predominantly known for its stately stone gates. A more Instagrammable secret lies in the northwest corner of the grounds. There is a sub-shrine often dedicated to Inari, which is the fox deity of harvest, which features a miniature tunnel of bright red vermilion torii gates. This area feels like a private, quiet version of Kyoto's more famous shrines. It provides a sharp pop of colour against the dark wood of the main halls and the grey stone of the primary path, making it a favourite spot for photographers looking to escape the main crowds. Its rich heritage and seasonal beauty really do make this destination a must visit for those exploring the city. Next, we hopped off at Gion, Kyoto's historic geisha district and living museum. Here the streets feel timeless and completely authentic, yet the further in you go, the more crazy and touristic it becomes, but with good reason. It's so beautiful, and we strolled past wooden tea houses and lantern-lit alleyways. The Yasaka Pagoda is also known as the Hokan-ji temple, is a beautiful Buddhist pagoda nestled in the charming Higashiyama district of Kyoto, dating all the way back to 589. This 5-story marvel gracefully rises above the quaint wooden streets, creating a captivating scene, and the gentle slope of the street all come together so beautifully to frame the pagoda. For stress-free connectivity on the move, I personally have been using Quibity. It's so easy to install, offers no physical SIM card or contracts to sign, and is ideal for anybody travelling. You can keep your original phone number so you can continue receiving calls and messages on platforms like WhatsApp without any problems. They offer a variety of packages as low as £2 for 7 days with data, and you'll be connected as soon as flight mode is turned off. It's easy, no fuss, and something to not have to worry about. We love the product so much that we have partnered with them to offer you an amazing discount. So why not scan the QR code on the screen or have a look down below with our special discount code pinned, offering you a 15% discount off your plan. Just put our code in the coupon box and see the savings for yourself. Leave prepared, download Quibity. Something that was suggested to us was a visit to the Skyway in Kyoto Station. The Kyoto Skyway is proof that really sometimes the best things in life really are free. Our advice is to skip Kyoto Tower and come here. The views you'll get here are the same, and you'll get to experience riding the Skyway's long, dramatic escalators all the way up to floor 15. The Skyway on floor 11 almost feels like a secret bridge in the sky. You'll walk along a suspended glass corridor and you can catch incredible views of the city's urban grid, backed by gentle green hills, and it costs exactly 0 yen. The best thing about Kyoto is that it serves as the perfect home base for exploring the wider Kansai region. There are a few specific hotspots that are so iconic it would seem a misjustice not to experience them on our trip. So we decided to join a tour group for our next trip, which made it easier on our itinerary, and it really did relieve the stress of transport and other factors. From here, we then arrived at Nara, a truly unique and beautiful place. The park itself is stunning, it's wide and it's peaceful, with temples and nature blending perfectly together. The deer, of course, are the main attraction. Seeing, stroking and bowing to the free roaming deer up close was just so unique. They are very friendly and approachable and super cute, and there are plenty of them around. You are able to purchase deer crackers from vendors in the park for around 200 yen. But just keep your cool and keep in mind that the deer are wild animals and will occasionally headbutt or bite you. But it's not aggression, it's just their normal behaviour, especially if you have a stack of crackers, you are easy game for them. We had plenty of laughter and a great experience being here with these beautiful deers, and it was truly such a unique and fun experience. We would totally recommend this to anybody visiting Kyoto or Nara itself. From Nara, we were then driven to the Arishiyama bamboo forest. We parked up and followed our guide on a short and scenic route to Arishiyama Shopping Street. It's a vibrant gateway for millions of tourists, packed with traditional souvenir shops, acting as the primary route, leading to the Arishiyama Bamboo Grove. The bamboo groves are totally extraordinary, an absolute must for people who love nature and the outdoors. The views and the feeling that you get whilst you are here are so beautiful and so serene. When you are walking through, the towering bamboo stalks feel almost surreal, just like stepping into another world. They almost create a cathedral-like canopy that feels peaceful, almost spiritual. Even though it can get crowded at certain photogenic spots, the atmosphere still feels peaceful and serene, especially if you visit early in the morning. You can explore the nearby temples, one called Tenryu-ji, which is widely considered the most important Zen temple in Kyoto's Arishiyama district. Whilst fires have destroyed the original buildings 8 times over the centuries, the temple's most famous feature is its garden, and that remains almost exactly as it was 700 years ago. We also enjoyed a drink in a hidden cafe and visited charming little shrines that are dotted in the forests. This place is a must for nature lovers, photographers and anybody looking for serene tranquility that will leave a lasting impression on you. On our way back to the bus, we stopped off at the shopping street again, but took a detour towards the Kimono Forest. This is a unique attraction with the theme of kimonos, consisting of hundreds of pillars covered with exquisite kimono patterns. Each pillar displays the patterns and colours of traditional Japanese kimonos. It's not only a great background for taking pictures, but it also showcases the charm of Japanese traditional culture. When visiting Arishiyama, be sure to immerse yourself and stop off here in this unique artistic experience. From here, we went from the bamboo grove towards the Fushimi Inari Taisha shrine. It's worth being honest and mentioning that we got there at peak, so around 2 p.m, so it was very busy and not like you see on Instagram with those picture perfect images. What makes it truly special is the combination of culture, nature and its history. You can take your time exploring the smaller shrines along the paths. You can encounter friendly fox statues who are the messengers of Inari, and enjoy breathtaking views of Kyoto from higher up in the trail. For us, the entire trip wasn't just about seeing the sights. It was about truly understanding the stories behind each of the places. This was such a fantastic experience to our Kyoto trip, and if you are on time constraints or worried about transport, we would highly recommend booking a tour. Kyoto is the cultural soul of Japan, offering a concentrated dose of history that modern hubs like Tokyo cannot replicate. The bustling city is designed for slow exploration, where the primary draw is the seamless blend of ancient tradition and seasonal nature. It's the realisation that while the modern world still moves at a frantic pace, here the tea is still being whisked with precision. Kyoto as a city for us was one that we will remember forever, somewhere that is now etched into our hearts until we return. So we hope that you've enjoyed this video as much as we have bringing it to you. If you did, please hit that like button, hype and notification bell, and why not hit that subscribe button while you're at it to help our channel grow. So we'll see you in the next one. Till next time.